minista wa kigina rotich wa makiria ma shiringi birioni 63 na iria kwerekanaga ugumanirie itemini riake gukorwo nyafarire gwako kwa demu ya arror na kimwarer riu ni arikitie gwikinya igoti-ini. Munya ikinyirie thutha wa kugomerwo gwake kana kugomera gwikinya ta uria athitwo na gucungiriria mucirithania nyoto kuruta watho wake wa gutigirira ati ni ehera ta kana ari ta umwe wa aira ciira-ini uria ugumiire rotich mundu wikaine ta maina wa mucoweni aratariria
na kuona ithuothe tukoragwo rungu rwa watho uria wari minista wa urimi niwe Peter Munya muthia ni akinyirie mbere ya igoti ria kurwa na ugumania ta muira wa ciira uria ugumiire uria wari minista wa kigina rotich wa ugumania wa birioni 63 wa waki wa demu cia arror na kimwarer.
I, Peter Munya,
swear by the Almighty God that the evidence I shall give before this honorable court touching on matters in question shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Thimo na yonekete ta yahutha iremire guthimurwo thutha wa mwena wa thitango kuga nduri na ciuria cia kumuria minista uyu wa urimi na thengi yake gwikinyia mbere yao erigirirwo kuheana wira wake nduri ucungiriirie kumurekia ta muira mucirithania nyoto akiurugamia ciira uyu nginyagia mweri 9 wa kenda.
I respectfully and humbly quote Article 157(10) of the Constitution of Kenya. The Director of Public Prosecutions shall not require the consent of any person or authority for the commencement of criminal proceedings, and in the exercise of his or her powers or functions shall not be under the direction or control of any person or authority. I refer to that, Your Honor, to show you that we only do what we are instructed to do. And our instructions, Your Honor, is that we adjourn until then. I humbly request that you allow my application.
Munya bire kugomera gwikinyia igoti-ini thutha wa gwathwo ni mucirithania nyoto tariki 29 mweri uyu na macungiririo thigari ikiheo rutha rwa kumunyita no indi itanakinyaniria watho uyu akorwo akiyumiria na kuruta mwihitwa wa kuruta wira wake. Makiria Eunice ni ugite ndagwitigira kuonania mahinya make kuri mundu uria ukugeria kuingirira ciira uyu na kuga riri nirio rita ria mwisho ciira uyu urakorwo ukirugamio.
This court must also exercise its mandate under Article 50 of the Constitution that requires that there must be a fair trial and that justice must be done to all and that cases must be heard expeditiously. And therefore, this court will not condone any form of interference, be it in the name of seeking for adjournments or in the name of not presenting witnesses in court or not bonding witnesses before this court.
Dae ya waki wa demu ici niremete kugwatio ona thengia ya Munya kuruta wira kuri thigari mwaka-ini wa 2019 mweri wa gatatu na kuga ni ahuriirwo thimu kuma gacumbiri-ini ka unene thirikari-ini ya hindi iyo maita meri na kurio akindire kurekererio gwa kigina kia birioni 4 kia demu ciiri indi akigomera kuona ari minista mweru. Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV riakwa ni Maina wa Mucoe.
Haya, thegi muno mundu gwitwo ti Maina wa Mucoe ni undu wa riboti yo mwandiki mukaru na makiria ministry